Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to be taking care of dark under eye circles. I'm going to go in the kitchen, I'm going to whip up a little quick and easy remedy, and I'm going to show you a trick how you can apply this remedy to the dark under eyes to clear it like really quick. Not only that, it's going to help to get rid of the eye bags, the puffy eyes, and most importantly, it's also going to help with the wrinkles and fine lines. So if you're looking to get rid of dark under eye circles and you're looking to get rid of those puffy eyes and eye bags and the bonus, the wrinkles and the fine lines, this video is for you. So come with me in the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up, and I'll also show you how to apply it in a very unique and special way for fast results. So here we go. Now let's put the remedy together. We're going to be using some baking soda, and baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, and baking soda is known to help to get rid of your dark under eye circles. Now the way you use the baking soda under your dark under eyes makes a huge difference. You cannot just apply it under it like that. You got to actually make a baking soda paste. Now to make the baking soda paste, here I have in the bowl about a tablespoon of baking soda, and what I'm trying to do here is to get rid of the lumps. Now once that is done, the next ingredient is sesame seed oil, and sesame seed oil is great to use under your eyes. It's great for wrinkles and fine lines. Not only that, the sesame seed is loaded with vitamin E. It have an ingredient called sesamol, which will help you to get rid of the dark under eye circles. So I'm going to pour about a teaspoon of the sesame oil in the baking soda, and I'm going to mix this into a paste. Just blend it in. And once this is blended in, baking soda and sesame oil, I am going to show you how to apply it under your eyes. Now to apply this to get the best benefit, you're going to need a spoon. So come with me on the other side. Let me show you how to use this wonderful remedy, this little trick right here to get rid of the dark under eye circles. Now to use this for your dark under eye circles, with a spoon, what you're going to do, you're going to make sure to get rid of any makeup you might be wearing. Just cleanse the area of your under eyes, and then the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the clean spoon, and I'm just going to use just a spoon with nothing on it to begin with, and I'm just going to massage my under eyes with the back of the spoons. Metal spoon is best for this technique. So just massage the under eyes. Let me come close for you to see what I'm doing. Now I used to have very dark under eye circles, and I use a lot of different kinds of remedy under my eyes, and now they're not as bad. However, you gotta constantly take care of the under eyes, or else they will get back dark once you ignore them totally. So just the way you take care of your face, you take care of your under eyes. So now once that is done, what happened, the spoon helped with the circulation, so I just plump it up a bit, and now I'm gonna go in with the remedy this time, put it on the back of the spoon like this, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes, and I'm gonna massage it under my eyes like I'm showing here. And I'm getting a wonderful benefit from this, because not only is it, taking care of the dark under eye circle, but it's also taking care of my cheekbones. All right, so take a look at that and apply another with, and you get the drift. Now you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. You can choose to use 2 spoons if you want to go quick and do both at the same time. So you see what I'm doing. So you just keep doing this for about a minute or so. Wake it up, and then you go in with your remedy, back of the spoon, and you keep going under your eyes. Just keep doing this. And keep coming up closer for you guys to see what I'm doing. That's basically it. Now, once you apply it under your eyes like this with the spoon, then you're gonna leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you're gonna rinse off. Rinse off with some warm water and pat dry. Once you rinse off, you do not need to apply a moisturizer because the skin is going to be very soft. Remember, we have the sesame oil in this and it's going to hydrate the under eyes, so no need to add any moisturizer. However, if you have a good eye serum, feel free to just use it under your eyes. You want to use this as often as you can, preferably every evening if you have the time. If you have severe dark under eyes to begin with, use it for a week, and as soon as the dark under eyes start to clear up, then you can cut down on the amount of time that you use it. It is really amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, and a little secret, if you have a lot of spots and blemishes on your face, you can go ahead and use this all over your face. Okay. So there you have it. What are you waiting for? Run, 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 run in your kitchen. Make this remedy. Give it a try. Use it for a week. And then you come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching. And guess what, guys? If this was your first time watching, I'm sure you want to see more of these videos. So do not leave without subscribing. To subscribe, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe in red. Just click on